Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can build a web page in seconds, and it is also free. The tool name is HTML Wave AI. So this is an AI tool. You just need to provide a text prompt in the editor or with the API and watch as this tool will create a customized and visually beautiful, stunning web page template for you. After once you have built the page, then you can also edit the page using HTML Wave AI's Visivich editor. So you need to sign up first of all, and here you need to type your name, and here for example your username and email and password, and then you need to accept. You will have to accept the terms of service and privacy policy, then click on sign up. So once you have registered successfully, so you will find, you can see the message of thanks for registering, and then now you can also see the message that you can now generate web pages. So just click on generate web pages. Now here you can see, as I told you, the message you can read here. This thing I already described you, like welcome to HTML Wave AI. With this tool you can easily generate a custom looking website page based on a text prompt. So you need to type your prompt here. Here you will type your website name, like for example but IT solutions, and prompt here. So a website for a digital media market, a website for a digital media marketing agency with a gold hero, like golden, or with a yellow hero and blue buttons and a contact form. So you can also see the prompt examples here. You can also ask about an online store, like with the rounded buttons or square and nav bar, navigation menu. About navigation you can tell in the prompt. So whatever you can explain in the prompt, the result will be more better. So once you have typed your prompt and the website name, then you can see it will create full page. So now click on generate. So you can see incredible, and here we can see achieve your business goals, get started, learn more, and here you can see features and pricing. Everything is here. So you can also edit it from here, visual editor, save and edit with HTML Wave Online. So what you can do, make sure to copy and save the code, because if you generate a new template or close this window, this code will be lost. So you can copy this HTML and you can see now, for example, here you can see the CSS is also attached. Everything is attached. You can see bootstrap icons.css and style sheet, also fonts also. So you can make a copy of these codes. For example, here we create a folder and website and notepad. If I open, so this is the HTML, so I can save this in the desktop website folder as index.html. So now we have in this website folder our index, and if I open this, so you can see this is here, and now CSS also. So we need to copy this CSS, and in the notepad, like we can save it as style.css, sorry, style.css. And then we have JavaScript also, so we can copy this one and also save it as for example new. .js. So that will be JavaScript file. So now we have all these three things, and you can see here like the website is here. So if I go to index.html, and here you can see like everything is here. In the head section, like we can type here like link, hyperlink reference, and is equal to, this will be style.css, and relation is equal to style sheet, and control S, save it. And now if you refresh the page, so you can see style CSS has been implemented and style CSS is working. Same thing, you can also attach JS here. So for JS, script src is equal to new.js and script close. Control S for save. Now refresh. So now JS also working. So animations also, you can see this one. So see this one also working. So this is very, beautiful web page we have created. If I click on contact, so see the contact also, it's working. Portfolio also. So everything is now working, you can see. Company logos you can add here. Though now you can see like save and edit with HTML Wave Online. First I showed you method like how you can edit using your computer like Notepad. Visual editor also here. Visual editor you can use. So page editor you can see here. Achieve your business goals, achieve your business, for example, plans. It has been changed now. Save changes. So it has been saved changes, success, back to code. So it has been now, see, plans. So it has been changed. You can also see in the code like plan, see H2 heading 2, it has been changed. So this is very good. Visual editor you can use, and anything that you want to change like heading, for example, this is mission, and this is like vision, and this is, for example, about. Our mission is to create and design beautiful websites using WordPress, and then digital media marketing. Okay, so this is the incredible, you can see, way to edit these things, save changes, back to code. And now you can see the mission has been changed, and you can also see here like in the code it has been edited. For example, here you can see mission. So if you have coding knowledge, so you can also see here, like achieve your business goals. So if I change it here, for example, plans in minutes, so now it will change in my computer. So I was looking here, so see, this will update, see, plans in minutes. So you can also edit the web page from your computer, and also using the visual editor you can use. So the main thing, this tool, this AI tool will allow you to build a web page, a stunning web page, by applying, giving them prompt. So text prompt just you will give to this tool, and the tool will create incredibly professional and amazing, web page. So now the web page you can design, you can build using this free AI tool. And I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Kindly share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things, they can increase their professional skills, and also subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming video. So I'm uploading AI tools and a lot of tutorials about make money online, and latest technology, modern technology, and a lot of skills, so you can learn and increase your professional skills. Thank you so much once again.